All right, we got something special today. Something we normally don't do a lot of, but we do them. This one, let me look at the paperwork. 2004 Mercedes Sprinter van. Basically, they send us the ignition, send us the door lock, send us the immobilizer module. So basically, the plan of action, we're gonna make the keys from scratch. Once we decode the locks, figure out what the cuts are, then do the pre-programming. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, this puppy is done. Here we go. Key 1. Key 2. Nice spring action. Bing, bing. That's how you want your key to work. Be springy. That's about it. Ain't really much to say. This is plug and play. Both chips and the keys are programmed into the system. And she already started packaging it. Now, those of you that call me and y'all having trouble finding somebody and y'all wondering why, here's a couple reasons. One, they may not get enough calls to justify buying the different types of equipment they need and the training that they're going to need to deal with it. Two, I just said it. They don't have the training. 3, they don't have the equipment. So if you need my help, give me a call. If I had to rate this job difficulty level, I would say this is more on the hard side because of all the things you got to deal with, data and making sure you don't mess things up and being real careful with it. And not only that, you got to basically make a key from scratch with no key code. So this is what I do. This is what I've been doing. I've been doing it early 90s. So, but if y'all need my help, give me a call. We'll talk about it. I'll tell you what it's going to cost, how much time I'm going to need, and what to send me. And that's about it. I appreciate y'all for watching as usual. A lot of you mechanics and shops that send me jobs, I appreciate y'all as well. You don't think I don't get those calls and people saying, hey, so-and-so told me to call you. So I appreciate y'all. But everybody else, appreciate y'all for watching. Have a good one.